Okay, number two, Charlie has $1,000. He can buy his favorite chocolate bar for $1. That to me means he can buy 1,000 chocolate bars. And again, we're not considering tax at this point. It says, and there is a promotion, and it says the store will give one chocolate bar for every 4 chocolate wrappers submitted. What is the maximum number of chocolate bars Charlie can get? All right, and also goes on, what's the approximate to nearest 100th% discount? So I want to talk about that. I'm going to just buy 1,000 bars initially. So I'm going to take my $1,000 and I'm going to talk about the number of bars I have. I have 1,000. Now I'm also going to talk about the number of wrappers I have. I have 1,000. All right. I'm going to divide that by 4, and I would get 250 bars from this. So I'm going to take these 1,000 wrappers and get 250 bars from that. All right. I'm going to put this in the bar column now, 250. Let me erase this over here. This is bars. Now the 250, what I got, I'm going to take that and certainly get more chocolate bars from this over here. And if you took the number 250 and you divide it by 4, you're going to get, I think, 60 something, right? So it's going to be 10. You're going to get 62, but you'll have 2 wrappers left over. So from this 250 wrappers, what's going to happen is I'm going to get 62 bars, but I'm going to have some wrappers left over. How many wrappers left over? 2 wrappers. So I have 62 bars now. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Let me go backwards. I have 62 bars. Question is, I've got wrappers now. And remember there were 2 left over. So how many wrappers do I have now? I have 64. All right, I divide that by 4, I get 16. 16 what? 16 bars. How many wrappers do I have? 16 wrappers. How many bars do I get that? 4. Put this over here. Let's see what we got over here. From the 4 wrappers, I have 4 wrappers. I'm going to get 1 bar. Again, this is going to be 1 bar, but there's 1 wrapper left over. All right? So at the very end of this over here, this is the number of bars I have. But again, there's 1 wrapper left now. I have 1 wrapper from that last bar. And the question is, you add this together, it's really not that bad. I get, 16, 20, let's see, 270, 1270, 1273, and then 60. 1273 and 60. It's going to be 1333. So I have 1,333 bars, and I have 1 wrapper. All right? But again, that's how many bars I got. I get 1,333 bars. That's how many I got. Question is, what's the discount? Let's go through that. Well, the bottom line, if I bought the 1,333 bars, it would cost me $1,333. But, whoops, I'm not going to add on to it. I want a discount, right? So let's get my eraser out. And it's going to subtract some percentage of the money, which I would have spent, which is $1,333. And that should equal 1,000. All right? Again, I'm not going to do too much arithmetic on this one, but I do want to kind of clear this thing out. I'm going to subtract 1,000 from both sides. And I'm going to add x over 100 times 1,333 to both sides. And what do you get there? 333 on the left side. This disappears. That disappears. And then you get x, and you get 1,333 over 100. I'm going to solve for x now. And this is a percent, by the way. You're going to get 333 multiplied by 100, 0, 0, divided by 1,333. And this is a percent. All right? So this is the percent discount. But they want to approximate it. And I'm going to just say, I guess I could use a calculator, but I'm going to say they want it to the nearest. You could do long division if you want, but I want to do it to the nearest, let's take a look at that, the nearest 100th. So you need to divide this through, and if you did that, you're going to find out you get 24.98% approximately, right? Around a 25% discount, around a 25% discount. All right. So I think I think I did okay. So we're done. Thank you.